So you want to know how to build your list? It's very important that you know how to do this before you start building your list. If you know how to build your list a step-by-step tutorial for beginners, then you can be assured that you will succeed. If you don't know how to build your list, then you will be setting yourself up for failure. I'm going to give you some tips on how to do this. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to build your list a step-by-step tutorial for beginners. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. I think the first thing that you should do is get a list. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out with an email list or you're trying to rebuild a list from the ground up. List building is one of the best things you can do and it can help you make tons of money. Here's how you do it. First, you have to sign up people. Signing up a person is easy. You go to places like Facebook, MySpace, YouTube, Twitter, and get people to join your list. Once they are signed up, it's as simple as adding them to your list. Now, how to build your list a step-by-step tutorial for beginners involves setting up your squeeze page and getting creative with it. In other words, you don't want to limit your list to just people who are interested in what you have to offer. Make it interesting and varied. When you build a list, you also want to learn how to keep that list interested. That means keeping it updated. Most people get on the email bandwagon, but that's not a very good way to build a long-term business. It doesn't build sales, either. If you want to make money online, you need to focus on customers that are buying your product or service. So, how to build your list a step-by-step tutorial for beginners involves the final two steps. The first step is to build the list. That means keeping your list updated and adding new subscribers every day. If you don't have an autoresponder, you have to set up some kind of autoresponder to send out new messages to your list at set intervals. You have to stay on top of your list. The second step is making sure your list is interested in what you have to offer. If you're promoting a weight loss product, you probably want to target people who have been obese and are trying to lose weight. So you should target your emails towards people who have been obese and are trying to lose weight. Or you should be trying to target people with health issues like high blood pressure, diabetes, and cancer. Once you build your list, how to build your list a step-by-step tutorial for beginners is to maintain it. Add new content, send out emails, and be sure that your subscribers know about new products you add to your list. You also might consider offering incentives to people who sign up for your list. Building and maintaining a list is an important part of being successful online. The third step is probably the most important. Learn how to automate your build process. There are software programs that will help you build a list that will build and keep track of emails for you. These programs are usually easy to set up and use, but can also automate a lot of the process. So don't worry if you don't know how to build a list, there are software packages that will take care of everything for you. And finally, one of the best ways to build a list is through email marketing. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to market products or services online because it offers many advantages. First, you can build relationships with your list very easily. Then you can send them great email campaigns and build a long-term relationship with your list. So for the people asking how to build your list, a step-by-step tutorial for beginners, there is definitely something out there that will be of great help. I know you've probably tried a few lists building guides, so you already know what I'm talking about. But I think it would be a good idea to go out and try some guides first. It doesn't cost you anything, so you can't go wrong. And you'll be able to reap the benefits of email marketing sooner than you might think. Thanks for watching my video about how to build your list, a step-by-step tutorial for beginners. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.